Hey, what's up guys? So the next big thing from Xiaomi is the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, which is the most premium phone in the Xiaomi 14 series. It is expected to launch in the second quarter of 2024. Reliable tipster digital chat station has revealed the color options and design language of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. According to him, the device will come in several shades including a blue variant with glass back and an orange and a black variant with silicone skin. But these colors might be for the engineering prototype and there should be additional colors such as white. Design-wise, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra will look similar to the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. The display will retain the micro-curved edges while the back panel gets a streamlined bulk design. Notably, the metal middle frame on both sides no longer extend to the battery cover, hinting at a more holistic design approach. This adjustment could enhance the overall aesthetics of the device while maintaining its signature look. The rear camera module might have a slight curve instead of the current straight up and down orientation. If this is indeed going to happen, then the Xiaomi 14 Ultra won't upgrade a drastic design overhaul compared to its predecessor. There will be subtle refinements to elevate the user experience. DC has previously revealed the camera details of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra and I gotta say they are quite impressive. This bad boy from Xiaomi will feature 450 megapixel cameras at the back just like its predecessor. The main camera on the Xiaomi 14 Ultra will be a 50 megapixel featuring the new Sony Lightyear 900 sensor with f1.63 aperture that is equivalent to an f4.3 plus full frame aperture. With this sort of wide aperture, the sensor will take in more light and will take better photos, especially in low light situation. The main camera will be paired with a 50 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, a 50 megapixel periscope and a 50 megapixel telephoto lens. Well, that's not all. The all four sensors will feature variable aperture technology. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra doesn't just stop at the cameras, it incorporates a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, providing users with a faster and smoother experience. Powering this device will be a 5180 mAh battery that will support 90-watt fast wired and 50-watt fast wireless charging. The display will be a 4D micro-curved display and underneath that display there will be a single-point ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. It should run on Xiaomi's new Hyper OS, which will be based on Android 14. The device will compete against the likes of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, Oppo Find X7 Pro and Vivo X100 Pro Plus. So that's all we know about the Xiaomi 14 Ultra and I'll keep you posted once more information appears. So what do you think about this? Do let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. As always, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.